whenever I have a guest come in for hair color, whether that's a lightening service or just a simple gray coverage or a fashion or vivid color of some kind. Let me show you what goes through my head for every single color service. Say hello to the inside of my brain. Perfect. I like flowcharts. I've got a thing for them. I like a visual representation of a real life thing. This is a sample of what goes through my head every single time. It's a really complicated process. It takes years to hone, and it takes a long time to get to know the different nuances of the way hair and hair color interact. Because you have different types of hair, you have different types of color, and then all the situations of them mixed in between. So each one of these things affects the other for every single color service.